So as I began to edit the video, I just came to the realization that I did not shoot an intro or even tell you what I was working on. So in today's video, first and foremost, happy Wednesday, everyone. Thank you for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Before we continue, if you would please hit that like, share, and subscribe. It greatly helps me out. That completely came out wrong. It helps me out greatly, and I appreciate it once again. Now, on to what I'm working on. In this video, I am taking Mini-Me's door panels off, and I just wanted to show you how. It's pretty quick, pretty simple, pretty efficient. It's easy. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is grab a pry tool. What I have is a really thin one. I mean, most of them are, but it's a long, thin one. So you're going to put it inside of where you just saw me have it. I don't know why I keep going back and forth. Where you see me looking right now, that's where you're going to stick it at. And I'll actually tell you or show you what I'm looking at when I did that. All right, so I have no idea why I wasn't talking in that video whatsoever.
It's right here. And if you look closely, let me see if I can get this. You'll also notice there's a slight indentation on there, letting you know where that goes. Ta-da. So yeah, it's right there. And again, the other T30 is right here.
Apparently, I was having a full conversation in my head, because what I meant to say was,
let me go ahead and get those
the
out.
T30s that you're going to take out are where you see the 1, 2, 3 holes, and then there's a fourth one that I'm going to point to in a moment. I am doing a great job in this video, an absolute great job.
I've already loosened 1, 2, 3. Number 4 is behind here.
And just in case you were wondering, that is called extreme sarcasm.
Voila. Remember, everyone, you don't want to lose these, so put them somewhere where you won't. Wherever that might be is totally up to you. Ooh, look how long that guy is. See it? 1, 2. Too small. 3. Yep, it's too small, too long. Now this guy, as I said, I need to get him from in there. Now with that same pry tool, you're going to start. Typically, we'll go from this side. Yep. 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 And then from the top, you're just pulling forward. And what you're going to want to remember is that you have a light, your puddle light at the bottom. There you go. All right, so I'll put him back in. Everybody will be happy. Perfect. Ta-da, we're done. Simple as that. Hopefully that helps somebody. All right, so that's how you remove that. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. I will see you next week. Talk to you then. Please, if you don't mind, like, share, subscribe. It helps me out. It helps me reach more of you and anyone who wants any mini content. All right, I'm out. Peace.
If you're enjoying the channel, smash that. Hit that. Like, comment, share. Until next time, peace.